In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset carousels with half slider in WordPress Elementor. First, let's get into your website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for pages and click on it. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add the offset carousel with a half slider effect. Hover your mouse over that page title. You'll see several options appear underneath. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page in the Elementor editor. Once Elementor loads, turn your attention to the left panel, which is where all the widgets live. Use the search bar or scroll until you find the loop carousel widget. Click it, then drag and drop it onto your page where you want the carousel to appear. Make sure the loop carousel is selected, and you'll see its settings appear on the left side. Under the Content tab, look for the section called Settings and click it to expand. Here you'll see an option called Offset Sides. This is where we control the half slider effect. Click the drop down next to Offset Sides and choose whether you want the offset on both sides, just the left or just the right. After choosing the side, set the offset width to 100. This controls how far the slides are shifted visually to create that partial or half slide look. Now, click back on the layout accordion. It will expand again, and you'll see an option to Create Template. Click that. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save the changes you've just made. Confirm by clicking Save. The page may briefly reload. Wait until everything finishes loading and the left panel returns to the normal widget selection view. Next, choose which carousel widget you want to use inside the loop. For this example, we'll use the Image Carousel widget. Find Image Carousel in the left panel and drag it onto the canvas area inside the Loop Carousel widget. Once you drop it in, its own settings will appear on the left. Click the box with a plus icon to add images. A media pop-up will open where you can select the images you want for your carousel. After selecting them, click Create New Gallery at the bottom right. The pop-up will reload and show your chosen images. Here you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping, and you can also add captions. When everything looks good, click Insert Gallery. Now configure any additional settings for the image carousel, such as slide speed, navigation arrows, or autoplay, according to your design needs. When you are finished setting it up, click Save and Back at the top of the Loop Carousel widget. Again, wait for the page to fully load. This can take a moment. Once it's done, you'll see your carousel displayed with the offset applied to the side you selected earlier, giving you that half slider effect. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the Elementor interface and click Update or Publish to save your changes live on your site.